After years of development and multiple patents, the T2 IsoTrainer represents a paradigm shift in total fitness training that will eclipse all fitness products that have ever come before. The T2 is an incredible all-in-one replacement for suspension trainers, free weights, weight machines, cable machines, elastic bands, battle ropes, and more. The T2 IsoTrainer is the only device that allows you to incorporate nearly every training mode ever conceived. Isokinetics, isometrics, our proprietary isoelastic training, touch training, suspension, plyometrics, wave training, elastic core and elastic band training, flexibility, functional and HIIT training, Tabata, and more. The T2 IsoTrainer introduces the world of on-demand multi-mode training and hundreds of exercises in one uncompromising device that's compact, portable, and goes where you go. One device does it all. You will discover the synergy and speed of on-the-fly intensity and exercise changes without ever having to change plates, move a pin, or switch bands. Seamlessly move from one exercise and training mode to the next without ever letting go of the handles. The T2 IsoTrainer allows you to train the way you want, wherever you want. What makes this all possible is our patented force lock resistance housing. This is not a pulley. This is a force multiplier. Unlike a pulley, our patented die-cast resistance housing has no moving parts, yet brilliantly multiplies your resistive effort and pits muscle group against muscle group. We call this body fight, and combined with our custom power bungee, the T2 resistance housing generates a powerhouse workout with infinite training possibilities. As the body fight system, the T2 IsoTrainer instantly accommodates to your personal ability and fitness level. So regardless of whether you're a professional athlete or just starting to exercise for the very first time, the T2 IsoTrainer is ideal for any level of training. You adjust the resistance instantly just by slowing down or speeding up your movement while the T2 housing does the rest. You are in constant control of the intensity without the fear of injury that's possible from using free weights or weight machines. Cut your workout time in half. Unlike free weights and weight machines, whose degree of resistance is like a bell curve, the T2 IsoTrainer forces your muscles to experience a constant level of resistance throughout the entire range of motion. The result is greater muscular activation, faster muscle fatigue, and dramatically shorter workout time. If there's no external anchor point available, you become the anchor. If you have room to stand, then you have room for the T2. There's never been an all-in-one device like the T2 IsoTrainer. We don't claim that the T2 is a substitute for traditional equipment. It's a replacement, and other equipment will quickly seem primitive by comparison. We firmly believe the T2 IsoTrainer is poised to change the world of fitness by providing an affordable, safe, compact, and portable device that does it all. Prepare yourself for a paradigm shift in total fitness training.